Hello friends! I'm going to open this one. My best friend Ryan gave this to me last Christmas. And this is JC Organic Barley product. Leaf juice mix from New Zealand. Ayan. Wala pa na ako siya gi-open because I wanted to document this one once I open this. Atong basahon yung direction no. Kaya ako ning imnon karon. 1 pour JC Organic Barley Juice drink mix into the glass. Dayon, add 300 ml of cold water, stir and enjoy. Pero di man ko ganahan og cold. So, I wanted to try this one with lukewarm water lang. Or tap water. So, let's open this. JC Barley. Thank you, girl. Thanks to my best friend, Ryan. May pa si Ryan na pa'y pinaskuhan for me. Ako wala gyud ko'y pinaskuhan. Sorry, girl. Baby Ryan is always shouting. Kaya gusto mag-play sa gawas. Oh Lord, I don't know how to open this. Nakasilofane to manggod siya. Alright, so this is it. Okay. First time na ako ni actually. So, di ko familiar ani. It's a barley. Ah, okay. So, ingon ani siya ang sulod. JC Organic Barley. Pila ka buk sulod ani? 32 grams. So, 10 sticks at 32 grams each. Ano yung packaging? Iyang sulod. Yan na din siya instructions and ingredients na nakabutang here. So let's try this. This is my cup. Gikan gyapon ni kang Ryan. Thank you, girl. Dugay-dugay na ni. Mga siguro 3 years or 2 years ago. This one. Pero wala siya nakapuno. 300 ml. Di ko kabalon saan siya pag-estimate. Basta kay, I'll try this one. Sorry. Green. So, green siya. Asu-asu. And then, stir. Wait lang. And then, let's stir this one. Stir. So, well, ato siyang gina-stir. Mali siya iyahang itsura. This one. So, very green kaayo siya, no? As you can see. So, it's time for us to try this one. I don't know. Yeah. Wala siya, no? Naka-green dit kaayo siya. Wala, lamig siya, do. Promise. And very kanang pure kaayo ba nga barley yun. Ang imong matilawan. Inahala pa na ko siya i-shake well. Stir well. Kay medyo pa kana gilok sa tutulilan. So, this is it. The JC Barley Organic Organic Barley. Thank you so much, girl, Ryan, for this gift. I'll be enjoying this one sa mga musunod na adlaw. Salamat!